I can't tell.
One in the bottom.
That one's limp.
The one on the bottom?
Only way to find out is walk in there.
Yeah. Loud and clear.
Yeah?
Yep. Oh, nice. Awesome. Wow. All right, let's congrats on your bow. Thanks.
This hunting season is going to be a very special one. My dad drew a limited entry bull elk tag here in Utah, and we couldn't be more excited. This time of the year is special because I get to spend the whole week up in the mountains chasing elk with my family and friends. First day was amazing. We called in a young bull into 30 yards from us. My dad decided to pass him up, so we continued the next day to search for the perfect bull. Hey, go ahead.
He's walking. Somebody call him to stop.
You want me to stop him?
Shoot him.
Too high, too high, too high. Lower. Oh, hit. Hit.
Yeah, just feet. Take another shot.
Hit.
I hear that.
Hit it again. Hit it again.
Keep shooting. I know.
Keep shooting. Hurry.
Okay, where's he at?
Wait till you walk out.
Right there. He's right by the tree.
He's up. Up on the high, right?
Left.
Good.
It's on the pine.
That was good.
Shoot. Missed it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Take it easy.
Take it easy. Breathe.
The piece is still there?
Yeah, he's still
Go
there.
there.
Okay.
Same spot, same spot. He's going right.
Going
Go
into
right.
the pine.
Go right.
Coming out. Here on the back of the pike. Catch your breath.
Okay.
You stay behind. You stay behind. You're walking up. He's standing.
Did we hit him already?
Yeah, it's hit once.
One.
It's hit once.
His leg. We hit his leg.
Okay.
How come he's not running at all?
Josh, keep an eye on the top, okay? In case it takes off that way. You're gonna have to chase it.
He's coming
Okay,
back left.
something's
He's coming back left.
He's hurt.
Back
He'll
left
come
of-
down.
Yeah. Left?
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
coming back left. You see his
Left
ass?
or the bottom?
He tried to work his way
He's
up.
in his ass.
Oh, he walked up. He walked
He's
up
walking up to your right.
to the right.
Shoot him.
Shoot him. Shoot him.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Bottom left.
That's
pine.
fine.
Yeah, you hit him.
Hit.
Good shit.
Yeah.
Hit.
It's a
Do it
hit.
again.
Do it again.
He took off already.
Oh,
He's gone.
where's
There
he?
you go.
He gone. He gone.
He's gone, dude.
He's gone?
He's
He
gone.
went this way.
He's
Went
hit
into
though.
the pine.
Oh, he's still there.
No,
No,
he's not.
gone.
He's gone.
Josh, keep an eye on that
He's
side.
right
But I don't think that is though. I think that one.
I don't think he
That one's
run that hard.
Huh?
I don't think he run that hard up.
Yeah.
I think he's still in there.
Oh, maybe that's
That
from the
big
roof.
bull, he's gone.
That's from the roof. That's because we got
That
some
big
of the
bull that
cow on the
walked
back.
down?
Walk up too.
Yeah.
He's gone.
He's gone.
Only way to find out is walk in there.
Go get some blood.
You would drive up there and walk down?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, go.
Yeah, the last shot was a really good shot, huh?
Last
Yeah,
time.
right, yeah. I mean, I can see the impact. It fly somewhere in the middle of his body. Hey, can you hear me, Jay? Loud and clear.
Yeah.
About to go look for the bull right now. Hopefully it's down.
We thought there was something right here.
Okay, where do we need to go from here?
No, we have to find the blood first from the unit.
Oh, see? Right on the other side.
It's on the other side.
After shooting at this big 5-point, we searched the bull for hours. The shot being a little back, we assumed it was a gut shot. Everyone was kind enough to stick around all day to search for him, but we could never turn him up.
This is the game tail right there.
We get a call a couple days later. One of our buddies, who is hunting the same area, came across a dead bull. Sure enough, it was a 5-point my dad shot at.
Oh, there he is. Nice.
The bear dragged it.
Oh, really?
He was up there yesterday,
Uh-huh.
so he dragged him down a little bit.
And it tore him up a little bit. Yep, there it is.
The meat was spoiled by now, but we wanted to do the most ethical thing, which was to tag it and bring it home. A bear actually got into him the day before,
Oh, this is awesome.
so he was already opened up and didn't have the
This
most
is
appealing
nice,
smell
5x5.
when we got to him.
Little curls back there.
Yep.
His fists are sweet.
Awesome. Wow.
Good bull.
This is a nice bull.
No, he's a stud 5.
Yeah, he's nice 5.
Bird's nice and good. Curls up really high too. Pretty sweet.
This one's really
Yeah,
nice.
got good curls.
The last 3, really nice. Bear? Huh?
She just said he dragged him far.
How the hell? I mean,
Yeah, he was up there maybe 30, 40 yards probably.
just now?
No, the
yesterday?
elk
Oh.
yesterday when we found him, he was about 40 yards up the hill.
Antler is kind of really rough and still smooth. That's nice.
We appreciate everyone for taking the time to help my dad find and recover his bull. This trip was one for the books. Sometimes it doesn't go the way you plan it to, but hey, that's hunting.